Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can archive tasks inside your projects and workspaces on Toggl Track time tracking app. So let us begin. Head over to Toggl Track, log into your account, and what you want to do guys is select the workspace / organization in the top left corner first, and after that navigate to your projects on the left hand side and click into the given project. So guys, let me explain one thing. So if you navigate to your tasks here, there's actually no way how you can archive single tasks, because if I, for example, select the given task here, there will only be these options: mark the given task as done or undone or delete. So if I mark it as done, I will be given the opportunity to for instance, mark it as undone again, or click into these three dots to reactivate it. However guys, deleting is not what we want to do. We want to archive the given task. So the only way how to fix this is to archive the entire project. So let's assume we have a couple of tasks that have already been completed, and these are inside the given project. Mark all of them as done. Then navigate back to the project's overview by clicking into it here on the left hand side. And then guys, what you want to do is select the given project, the entire project, and click into archive. That is going to archive the given project. Now you will need to filter the archive projects here, and then you will see the project so that you may access it if needed. Restore it here on the right hand side, and that's the only way how at least I learned that users can archive tasks inside their Toggl Track projects and workspaces guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.